Well, there's so many ways to get involved, and this includes our student clubs like the Math Club, the AI Club, the student chapter of the American Chemical Society. We also have a makerspace that has 3D printers and laser cutters and things of that sort. And we host a number of symposia and seminars that we welcome students to attend and participate in. So within the School of Natural Sciences, we have the Math Lab, which offers free tutoring for a number of different mathematics courses. I also encourage students to make use of the Writing Center, go see their success coaches and the career coaches at Career and Professional Development. And most importantly, go see your professors. They're such an amazing resource. They're brilliant and interesting people, and they want to get to know you and they care about you. So go see them, not just when you're struggling or you have a question about a test, but just to get to know them. Ask them questions about their research or what opportunities they may have for you in the future. So experiential learning is really embedded throughout the curriculum in natural sciences in just about all of our majors. And we also offer paid research and internship experiences every summer for dozens of students, in addition to study abroad opportunities, for example, studying ecology in Costa Rica or epidemiology in Rome. I feel like this question is kind of like asking a parent which kid is their favorite. So I can't give just one course, but I'll mention a few. We have Neurobiology of Mental Illness. We have Expeditionary Ecosystem Studies. We have a whole bunch of new courses in AI and cybersecurity and data science. And then we also offer a course called Forensics in the Wild, which focuses on investigating crime scenes that occur in nature. So one of my students in freshman seminar dressed up as me for Halloween. And I had told a story about a study abroad trip in Tanzania where I had taken a picture of this male lion that was along the side of the road right next to our safari jeep, and how my colleague who was with me at the time was a little miffed by this because she thought it would have been a better idea to close the window and not get eaten by the lion. So in any case, I told this story, and then the next week was Halloween, and my students showed up. One of them was dressed as me, one of them was dressed as the lion, and one of them was a photographer. So that was creative and impressive and very memorable.